Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Comprehensive guide to setting date and time on your Nextbase 322GW Dashcam. This guide provides a detailed explanation of how to set the date and time on your Nextbase 322GW Dashcam, highlighting different methods, troubleshooting common issues, and offering code examples for automating the process via scripting, where applicable. Why is setting the date and time important? An accurate date and time stamp on your dashcam recordings are crucial for several reasons. Legal admissibility. In the event of an accident or incident, dashcam footage is often used as evidence. Incorrect timestamps can call the credibility and admissibility of the video into question. Insurance claims. Insurance companies rely on accurate dates and times to properly assess claims and determine liability. Documentation and memory. Even for personal use, correctly dated footage helps you remember when and where specific events occurred. GPS integration. If your 322GW has GPS functionality, which it should, accurate date and time are essential for the GPS data to be correctly synchronized with the video footage, providing location information. Methods for setting date and time on the Nextbase 322GW. There are primarily two methods for setting the date and time on your 322GW. One directly on the dashcam. This is the most common and straightforward method. 2 via the My Nextbase Connect app, Bluetooth/Wi-Fi. This is generally the easiest and most convenient method, syncing the date and time from your smartphone. 1. Setting date and time directly on the dashcam. Here's a step-by-step guide to manually setting the date and time on your Nextbase 322GW. Prerequisites. Power source. Ensure your dashcam is powered on. Ideally, connected to your car's cigarette lighter socket or a USB power source to prevent battery drain during the setup process. User manual. Although this guide aims to be comprehensive, having your Nextbase 322GW user manual handy can be beneficial for specific information related to your firmware version. Steps. 1. Power on. Turn on your Nextbase 322GW dashcam. It should automatically start recording, unless you've disabled auto recording in the settings. 2. Stop recording. Press the OK button, the central button on the dashcam, to stop the current recording. You need to stop recording to access the menu. 3. Access the menu. Press the menu button, usually located on the side of the dashcam. This will bring up the main menu screen. 4. Navigate to settings. Use the up and down arrow buttons, located on the side of the dashcam, to scroll through the menu options. Look for settings or an icon that resembles a gear/cog. 5. Enter settings. Press the OK button to select settings. 6. Find date/time option. Within the settings menu, use the up and down arrow buttons to find the date/time or time setup option. 7. Enter date/time setup. Press the OK button to select the date/time or time setup option. 8. Set the date. The dashcam will usually start with the year. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the year to the correct value. Press the OK button to confirm and move to the next field, month. 9. Set the month. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the month. Press the OK button to confirm and move to the next field, day. 10. Set the day. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the day. Press the OK button to confirm and move to the next field, hour. 11. Set the hour. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the hour. Press the OK button to confirm and move to the next field, minute. 12. Set the minute. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the minute. Press the OK button to confirm and move to the next field, second, if applicable. Some older firmware versions might not have a second setting. 13. Set the second, if applicable use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the second. Press the OK button to confirm. 14. Save/confirm settings * after setting the date and time, look for an option like Save, Apply, OK, or a checkmark icon. Select this option using the OK button to save the new date and time settings. 15. Exit menu * press the menu button repeatedly to return to the main recording screen. 16. Verify * start a short test recording, press the OK button to start and then press the OK button again to stop. Play back the recording on the dashcam or transfer it to your computer and check the timestamp to ensure the date and time are accurate. 2. Setting date and time via the Nextbase Connect app. The Nextbase Connect app offers a more convenient way to set the date and time, as it syncs the settings from your smartphone. This method requires a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection between your phone and the dashcam. Prerequisites **** Nextbase Connect app *** download and install the Nextbase Connect app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Nextbase 322GW Dashcam * make sure your dashcam is turned on. Smartphone with Bluetooth/Wi-Fi * ensure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled on your smartphone. Paired device, Bluetooth. If using Bluetooth, you need to pair your phone with the 322GW in the dashcam settings beforehand. Steps * 1. Open the Nextbase Connect app * launch the Nextbase Connect app on your smartphone. 2. Connect to the dashcam * the app should automatically detect and connect to your Nextbase 322GW dashcam. If it doesn't, you may need to manually connect. Wi-Fi connection * go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. The dashcam will broadcast a Wi-Fi network, usually named something like Nextbase XXXX. Connect to this network. The default password is often provided in the dashcam's manual or on the dashcam screen during Wi-Fi setup. Bluetooth connection * ensure the dashcam is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and select the Nextbase 322GW from the list of available devices. You may be prompted to enter a pairing code, usually 0000 or 1234. 3. Navigate to Settings. Within the app. Once connected, the app will display the dashcam's interface. Look for a settings icon, usually a gear/cog, or a menu option labeled Settings. 4. Find date/time sync option * within the app's settings, look for an option like sync date/time, update time, or something similar. The exact wording might vary depending on the app version. 5. Tap to sync * tap the sync date/time option. The app will typically display a confirmation message indicating that it is syncing the date and time from your phone. 6. Confirmation * the app will usually provide a success message once the sync is complete. 7. Disconnect, optional. Once the sync is successful, you can disconnect from the dashcam in the app or by turning off Wi-Fi/Bluetooth on your phone. 8. Verify * start a short test recording and verify the timestamp. Troubleshooting common issues. Dashcam not powering on * check the power cable connection to both the dashcam and the power source. Ensure the cigarette lighter socket in your car is working correctly. Try a different USB power adapter. Date/time resetting after power off *. This usually indicates a problem with the internal CMOS battery of the dashcam. This small battery keeps the time and date settings when the main power is off. Contact Nextbase support or a qualified electronics repair technician. App not connecting to dashcam *. Wi-Fi * double check that you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi network, the one broadcast by the Dashcam. Verify the Wi-Fi password. Restart the Dashcam and your smartphone. Bluetooth * ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Check if the Dashcam is in pairing mode. Try unpairing and repairing the devices. Make sure the Dashcam is within Bluetooth range. Time zone option missing. The 322GW usually doesn't have a specific time zone setting. It relies on the date and time provided either manually or via the app. Ensure you are setting the correct time, accounting for your time zone. If you're using GPS, the Dashcam might automatically adjust the time based on GPS data. Ensure the GPS is acquiring a signal. Incorrect date/time displayed on playback. Ensure you are playing back the video using a compatible video player. Some older video players might not correctly interpret the timestamp data. Code examples for automating date and time setup, limitations and considerations. Directly manipulating the date and time on a Nextbase 322GW through scripting is generally not possible with the standard user interface. The Dashcam doesn't expose a command line interface or API for direct configuration. However, there are a few theoretical approaches, each with significant limitations and caveats. 1. Reverse engineering the Wi-Fi protocol. Highly complex. If you have advanced networking knowledge and reverse engineering skills, you could attempt to analyze the communication between the Nextbase Connect app and the Dashcam when the app syncs the date and time. This would involve capturing network traffic, decoding the protocol, and then writing a script to emulate the app's behavior. This is extremely complex, time-consuming, and potentially violates the Dashcam's terms of service. Furthermore, Nextbase could change the protocol in future firmware updates, rendering your script useless. 2. Automating app interactions. GUI automation. You could use GUI automation tools, example AutoIT, Python with PAutoGUI, or similar tools, to automatically interact with the Nextbase Connect app on your computer, if the app has a desktop version or an Android emulator. Your script would simulate mouse clicks and keyboard input to navigate the app's menu and sync the date and time. This method is fragile and highly dependent on the app's layout and design. Even minor updates to the app could break your script. Here's a conceptual example using Python with PAutoGUI. Note, this is extremely simplified and requires significant adaptation to the Nextbase Connect app's actual interface. Important notes for GUI automation. Install PAutoGUI. Pip install PAutoGUI. Get screen coordinates. Use PAutoGUI.position to find the exact screen coordinates of buttons and other UI elements within the Nextbase Connect app. Run the script, move your mouse over the element, and the script will print the coordinates to the console. Adjust time.sleep. The time.sleep calls are crucial to allow the app to load and respond. You may need to adjust these values based on your system's performance. Error handling. The example lacks robust error handling. You should add try, except blocks to catch exceptions, example the app not being found, a button not being visible, and handle them gracefully. Specificity. The script is highly specific to the Nextbase Connect app's layout. Any changes to the app's UI will likely break the script. App emulation. If you're using an Android emulator, make sure the emulator is properly configured and the Nextbase Connect app is installed and running within the emulator. 3. Analyzing firmware and exploitation. Extremely advanced and not recommended in theory. With extensive reverse engineering skills, you might be able to extract the Dashcam's firmware, analyze it, identify the routines responsible for setting the date and time, and potentially exploit vulnerabilities to inject your own code. This is highly unethical, requires deep expertise, and could permanently damage your dashcam. It's also likely illegal in many jurisdictions. Do not attempt this unless you are a security expert with extensive experience in embedded systems and have a legitimate reason to do so, e.g., security research. Conclusion: while directly scripting the date and time setting on the Nextbase 322GW is very challenging and often impractical, the methods described in this guide provide a clear understanding of how to configure the date and time effectively through the standard user interface and My Nextbase Connect app. Regularly checking and synchronizing the date and time is vital for ensuring the accuracy and legal admissibility of your dashcam footage. Remember to always refer to your Nextbase 322GW user manual for the most up-to-date and specific instructions. Focus on the built-in mechanisms as the most reliable and supported way to maintain accurate timestamps.